Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn back comments on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you first want to do is go to TikTok, open her up, and then head down and click onto profile, bottom right hand of the page here. Once you're in your profile page, click onto the hamburger looking icon, be top right, like so. And then you want to scroll down and click into settings and privacy. And now once you're inside settings and privacy, scroll down and click into privacy. Once you're inside privacy, look down and you'll find interactions, and then on interactions there's comments. So click into comments, and as it states here, allow comments from, on mine is set to no one. So if I want to go ahead and let people comment, I've got a couple options here. I can just allow only my friends to comment on my videos or TikToks, or I can choose everyone. So I'm going to go ahead and click on everyone. Click back, and then you can see here allow comments from everyone, and then go back, and then all your TikToks people can now comment on.